The vessel Baltic 175 Pink Gen 6 is one of the largest ships of carbon fiber in the world. It's almost 54 meters long, therefore the transportation that this large vehicle was carried out with the help of powerful trucks that were connected to each other, and also equipped with a low-level platform from the manufacturer Gnostic owner Palvalu Projects. It was a 21-kilometer road trip. The total weight of the transported cargo was about 160 tons. So the average speed was 10 kilometers per hour. The itinerary was created beforehand, and the road signs interfering were removed. The Volvo FH16 is a series of heavy GT large-capacity trucks that can perform a wide range of tasks. Depending on the version, one of the models is a truck that can travel on roads with a hard surface and work on difficult terrain, performing several industrial and construction tasks. The overall length of the car varies from 5.6 to 12.1 meters, or being 2.4 meters wide without external mirrors, and from 3.4 to 3.5 meters tall. Working in conjunction with strong platforms, this truck with a capacity of 750 horsepower is capable of both transporting into a road train and transporting really massive objects, for example drum details whose weight reaches 100 tons with a diameter of 7 meters. The Letourneau 2350 loader, created by the American company Letourneau Incorporated, which specializes in the production of earth-moving machinery, is by far the largest wheel loader in the world. The Letourneau 2350 is used in the mining industry, particularly in the extraction of iron and copper ore. The bucket is 7.2 meters wide and has a volume of 40 cubic meters. It uses a powerful hydraulic system to lift up to 72 tons of payload. The loader is equipped with a 16-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 65 liters and 2,300 horsepower. It consumes almost 170 liters of diesel fuel during 1 hour of work. The loader's overall height is 6.5 meters. A vehicle of this size, as a rule, is not transported to the place of work entirely, but instead assembled from the imported parts right in the quarry. The special heavy trucks CNCU 480 are used in order to deliver the huge blades of wind turbines to a 3,000-meter high mountain. After a 5.5-kilometer route, 30 units of this model were specially created by the Chinese car building company CIMC. The wind turbines' blades weigh 12 tons each and have a length of 52 meters. It takes an hour to move 1 kilometer as such a heavy load. The highly specialized truck, that U480, with an equipped mass of AC 800 kilograms, has the 12-liter 480 horsepower Chinese diesel engine YC6K for 60/40ths. The CNCU 480 has a 2-speed planetary swing and a 16-speed synchronized gearbox. Given that to carry an oversized cargo on a mountain you often have to brake, for protecting the braking system, a U480 is equipped with a retarder. Transportation of the wagons of the Class 800 electric train is carried out using trucks produced by the Japanese company Ataki. These cars are equipped with special platforms from the Al-Ellis Group. Each wagon is reliably fastened to the platforms using iron cables and chains, and it's worth nothing that the truck's engines can develop a relative high speed on the highway thanks to its power engine, which significantly reduces the time of transportation. This unique transportation system has an increased flexibility and load capacity of up to 600 tons. The platform can be used to transport generators, turbines, engines, transformers, and much more. It's 95 meters long, and the unique flexible design allows not only so ideally overcome sharp turns, but also to travel on rough terrain. The advantageous ratio of dead weight and payload allows you to reduce the pressure on the axle to 12 tons, even if you need to carry the maximum weight. These self-propelled modular conveyors are rather complex machines that deals with the transportation of super heavy loads in short distances. Thanks to their design, these conveyors can be arranged lengthwise or across depending on the customer needs, and the cargo dimensions. Each line of this module has 8 wheels and a carrying capacity of about 40 tons. For example, to transport a heavy transformer weighing about 416 tons, you need 400 wheels for even distribution. In this case, the axes are controlled by a computer and the entire machine, if necessary, can be controlled by one operator depending on the task and model. The system can rotate each wheel individually up to 90 degrees, thus you can achieve maximum and maneuverability of the entire structure. The heavy-duty tractor, the Trojan 887C, has outstanding performance, economy and reliability. It's equipped with the Allison 6620 transmission, providing optimum traction, continuous power flow from the engine to the drive wheels, which used fuel consumption and efficient braking. The peculiarities of the tractor design is the possibility of compiling a road train from several units of equipment. For the implementation of super tonnage transport, each Trojan 887C has a payload capacity of 300 tons, which means that a column of 3 tractors will provide a carrying capacity of 900 tons. The road train, connected by pneumatic lines and by means of an electronic combust, is controlled by the operator of the main tractor. The centerpiece of this unique truck is the fully automatic 6-speed Allison 6620 transmission in combination with the 700 horsepower Volvo Pento engine. The reliable Trojan tractor transmission provides emission reduction and fuel savings of up to 40% compared to previous models. This massive vehicle has a modular base and equipped with hydraulic control. The 8 wheels along each axis can withstand even the most extreme load of up to several thousand tons. In this case, the load on each axle can be up to 36.6 tons. These platforms are used to transport components of power plants, petrochemical plants, tanks, and other massive elements. As a traction device, the vehicle uses standard trucks such as MAN. This piece of equipment is being transported on a platform with 192 wheels. Leading the structure is a Peterbilt 359 truck. This tractor is equipped with a 6-cylinder Caterpillar 3406 engine whose power reaches 425 horsepower. Carrying this cargo, the vehicle speed does not exceed 10 km/h, and even at small turns, the hull construction reduces the speed to almost zero. This hose away to the cargo hold by the Peterbilt 3 9 in the platform can be more than 400 tons. The whole transportation process is controlled by workers on site, and also remotely by dispatchers. Pipe piles are one of the most common types of building structure used for a variety of tasks, from building unload foundations and fences to capital construction, bridge construction, and other large-scale works. The length of these piles can vary from 3 to 40 meters, so it's very important to correctly and carefully transport them. For this, companies usually use Mercedes-Benz Across 3353 trucks with additional platforms. The car is equipped with an 8-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 530 horsepower. Transportation is carried out by securely fastening the piles to the surface of the platform, and the average safe speed of the truck does not exceed 15 km/h.